Hi guys, I'm showing you this bracelet making kit, and this is a very nice gift set for the kids for the craft. They can play with it, they can make their own designs for the bracelets and the necklace like if they want. And it comes with all this thing that you can see. So these are like the metal string that you can use as the band, and you can put in your desired design and the stuff in it. The quality is nice, and I can feel this like there's a metal, and you can see all the different shapes and sizes for this thing to put in. Easy to assemble, like means you can put in the design, so they can just go directly in it. This is the fabric band. If someone want this one, additional design set that you can use. And here you can see the beads and the stuff that you can use in the bracelet you want to make. And these are the beads, colorful beads that you can use, and you can see the metal ring inside. So with this metal ring, it is pretty easy to put that in these beads. You can see like this. It's pretty easy. Just put in or use the design you want and make your own masterpiece. You can use it yourself, or you can give it to someone else, or the gift to your friends as a friendship band or anything else. And this is the lock provided, and yeah, you can just lock it down.